Imagine an object so dense that a single teaspoon of it weighs as much as Mount Everest. Imagine a star the size of a small city, spinning faster than a kitchen blender, and possessed of a magnetic field so strong it could dissolve your DNA from thousands of miles away. You've heard of black holes, but they are nothing compared to the pure, chaotic physics of a neutron star. Today, we're diving into the monster that physics almost didn't allow to exist. How do you get something so extreme? It starts with a massive star at least 8 to 20 times the size of our sun dying in a spectacular supernova. When the outer layers explode, gravity crushes the core inward with such violence that protons and electrons are literally squeezed together to form neutrons. What's left is a sphere only 20 kilometers wide, but with a gravitational pull 2 billion times stronger than Earth's. Many people think neutron stars are just dead embers. That is a myth. They are the most active objects in the cosmos. Some are pulsars, lighthouse-like stars that rotate up to 700 times per second. If you stood on its surface, you'd be crushed into an atom-thick layer of plasma instantly. But the real terror, magnetars. Their magnetic fields are a quadrillion times stronger than Earth's. If a magnetar passed halfway to the moon, it would wipe every credit card and hard drive on Earth instantly. Here is something very few people know. Deep inside the crust of a neutron star, matter takes on strange shapes that scientists call nuclear pasta. Because of the intense pressure, atoms arrange themselves into sheets like lasagna or tubes like spaghetti. This material is the strongest substance in the universe, 10 billion times harder to break than steel. You are looking at a star made of literal cosmic noodles. Did you know the gold in your ring probably came from a neutron star? When two of these monsters collide in an event called a kilonova, the explosion is so intense it creates heavy elements like gold, platinum, and uranium. We aren't just made of star stuff. We are made of the wreckage of dead neutron stars. Neutron stars prove that the universe is stranger than any science fiction movie. They are precise clocks, massive magnets, and diamond-hard factories of gold. So, which is scarier? A black hole that hides everything, or a neutron star that shows you exactly how brutal physics can be? Let me know in the comments. Hit subscribe for more cosmic mysteries. See you in the deep space.